Come test drive the 2018 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, sync, satellite communications, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, child safety locks, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, too. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.